Hello everyone, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to stop birthday notification on your Facebook. You must watch the video if you want to turn off the birthday notification. First of all, you need to access Facebook apps. Click on. Then you have to click on the three dot line at the top. Click on three dot line. Scroll down and click on setting and privacy. Click on setting. Click on notification. Click on birthdays. Here you can see that Facebook notification apps have been launched. I have to stop it. Click on and click on turn off. Now it's stopped. From now on, no more birthday notification will come to on your Facebook app. And if you like the video, be sure to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos.